started our walk at the National Trust car park in Rosthwaite. We walked out of the village, turned left and then right over the Beck, and then immediately left in front of the Hazelbank Hotel. Followed the path all the way up, and then it undulates as it goes over the top before descending down into Watendlath. On reaching Watendlath, you only need to cross the packhorse bridge if you want to get refreshments at the farm. If you don't, you just need to carry on along this path that comes away from the Beck very slightly before rejoining it. There's a couple of footbridges that you need to cross. Neither of these footbridges actually cross Watendlath Beck. Great places for picnics along here. And eventually you come to this footbridge. This is the one that does cross the Beck. So don't cross it, but turn off into the wood to your left. Here is where the waterfalls are. And then you descend steeply on a zigzag path behind a hotel. Cross over the road, and then there's a small path that takes you all the way down to this track. Follow it, cross a footbridge, and this is where the boardwalk is, all the way across here, and it joins the Cumbrian Way, which joins the country lane, which brings you round to Grange. When you reach the church, turn right and follow the path down a country lane, onto a track, through a campsite and down to the river. The path then meanders through a wood, past some caves which are well worth visiting if you have time, and back along the River Derwent. At this footbridge, cross it and take the path on the other side of the river, which joins another path back to Rosthwaite and the end of the walk. In all, it's approximately 9 miles. We really enjoyed it. Hope you did too.